Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create like this reflection mirror sort of video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video at random like this one, and I'm just going to place it up a little bit, copy and paste it, rotate it twice, and then hit the mirror button to create a reflection of the video. Maybe like I'm gonna put it up a little bit more. Then I'm also going to do that with text. I'm going to type in New York, for instance. I'm also going to change the font of it as well. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it here, copy and paste it, right click, create compound clip, rotate it, and then mirror it, and then just place it here. Maybe like here a little bit. You can even go to blend mode and adjust the opacity for it. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.